In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, you don't have to download any app from App Store today. That's because your iPhone has Voice Memos, which is Apple's system app. If you want to use it, no tricks, just few simple steps, then start by opening Utilities folder. Click on Voice Memos to launch it, and red button to start recording. Now you have two options while recording is going. You can either close your app and record in the background, then to stop just open the same app again, or you can hold this line available at the top of this section and drag it all the way up to access all of those options. Let's start with the bottom. You need to click on this button at the bottom in the middle to pause or unpause your recording. Thanks to this one at the bottom left corner, you can enable or disable transcript. After pausing your recording, you can also access this button at the bottom right corner. Thanks to it, you can enable or disable studio voice, and if you decided to enable it, adjust it thanks to this slider. You can also pick playback speed by operating this slider here to pick up perfect speed for your recorder. Now, to save your changes, click at the top right corner. To discard them, choose Reset at the top left one. Then tap on the checkmark Anyway. If you want to, you can use new feature of voice memos. To do that, use this plus icon. Now you can record second layer of your recording and switch between them by operating this button 1 and 2. Fun fact, most people don't know that you can actually edit and manage your recording before even finishing it. Let me explain. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and check out all of those options, like trim. Then pick an area you wanna manage, decide what you wish to do, and whatever you decided, hit apply at the top right corner to save your changes. If you want to change the title right away, tap on the current one and type in whatever you want to. Finally, to save your recording, click on the check mark at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now to play it, tap on it and use play button. To manage it, click on those three dots on the right and check out all of those options. You can also tap on this icon of a frequency on the left and manage it over here. To save any changes you made, click on the check mark again. This time though, you need to decide if you wish to save it as a new recording or just edit your current one. I will go with Save as New. Now, if you want to get rid of any recording, just select it and use bin icon. But if you decided to delete one and it was a mistake, don't worry, I got you. You can actually restore it by clicking on the top left corner, selecting Recently Deleted, hitting Select at the top right corner and picking your recording. Now to restore it, hit Recover at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to get rid of it even from your bin, you can do exactly the same. But this time, hit Delete at the bottom right corner and choose Delete Forever. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!